This is my sawmill roller head that's nearing completion. Once complete, there will be a crossbar mounted on top with the upright pipes that will hold the saw head. It has 4 bearings on each end, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, and it will also have 4 bearings mounted here, 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 and here to support the weight of the roller and the saw assembly. Eventually, all the C-channel pieces will be connected together to create a 24-foot sawmill, and these saw band blades will be running on a bandsaw attachment. This is the other saw roller head that I'm currently working on welding together. Eventually it will be finished with the upper bolt plates, and I will finish assembly of the roller head assembly.